Shoot, almost forgot to start my video. Hey everybody, Ron, Four Seasons Barbecue. Started cutting my onion and I remembered, hey, I didn't put my video on. Well, I ain't got a shirt on either, so I better keep my big old belly out of the picture. Let me turn the camera over here. Anyway, what I'm doing tonight is I got some pork butts at the grocery store. Not pork butts, pork steaks. You know what? Hold on just a second. I'm gonna go put a shirt on. Just for your guys' sake. Be right back. Alright everybody, I'm back. Got my shirt on. You can open your eyes now. Hey, get away from there. Anyway, April, and it's 92 degrees. And I ain't turning my air conditioner on in April. Anyway, what I said was I was doing some pork steaks. I'm going to use these rubs that I got from Rick, or Rick's Barbecue and Specialties, Texas Trinity, and Texas Beef Hawg. But right now I'm getting I love thick cut grilled onions. Just put them on the grill just like that, like a little onion burger. I love them this way. And then I'm also onion skin. Got these little peppers. Watch out for this. I got some little peppers somewhere. Alright, where'd my little peppers go? Which one of you guys took them? Oh, there they are. Hiding in the water bottle container. Anyway, these little sweet peppers like this, when you throw them on the grill, they are so good. Another question is, looking in the refrigerator, who in the hell keeps putting vegetables in the beer crisper? You're gonna have to put a stop to that. Anyway, got my onions cut. And then little sweet peppers, you just put them right on the grill. Stem and all. And then when, man, these things are falling apart. Anyway, when you just pull them, eat them right off the stem. They are so good, so sweet. Anyway, right here, watch out. Come on, you're right in the way, buddy. Let's see. Here we go. I want to get that onion skin off there. Here's the Texas Trinity. Thank you, Rick. If you haven't tried this stuff yet, give it a try, man. It is fantastic. Just kind of tap it in there a little bit. No need for a binder. Meat's already wet. What do you need a binder for? It's gonna stick. This is the Texas Beef Hawg. I think that's what it is. Yes, Texas Beef Hawg. Put that over here. Get this other one seasoned up. This one will be lunch tomorrow. Oh, damn it. Touch raw meat with both hands. I know better than that. Shoot, I've already had COVID. A little salmonella or some trichinosis or botulism ain't gonna hurt me. You can tell that Suckle Busters helps him out with this. Getting the coughing and the sneezing about ready to start. Push that on there. Flip it over, get that other side. Got all kinds of construction going on this street. They're building a new interstate. So there's about 1,000 people outside running bulldozers and backhoes and all kinds of trucks going on. So every time something moves, the dogs just have a fit. Anyway, there we go. That hardly any of that rub fell off. Look at that. Everyone gets all excited over binders. Meat's already wet. Anyway, let's I'll bring you guys back later. I'm letting that sit in the fridge for a little while. Let it sweat out. And when it's ready to put on the grill, I'll bring you back. About an hour. Just gonna be blink of an eye for you guys. See you in a little bit. All right, everybody, I'm back. We're on the grill now. Got some onions on there. Let's go over here. Whoa, little flimsy dish there. I'm gonna put this on this, but I gotta set my phone down to do it because I don't have my tripod out here. So bring you back here in just a second. Be right back. All right, there's the meat and the onions. The onions are cut really thick, so they're not gonna cook real fast. About the same time the pork will. And the little peppers, in about 10 minutes, I'll put those on, and we should have a really tasty meal. But like I said, this one here will be tomorrow's lunch. This is gonna be supper tonight. All the onions and all the peppers will be supper tonight. Well, I might save some onions and some peppers for tomorrow's lunch. Anyway, be back in just a bit. Alright, let's do some flipping. I don't know what these onions look like. Oh yeah, got a little char on the onions. But they are starting to fall apart. I don't care. I'm going to cut them apart anyway when I eat them. Oh yeah, look at them babies. Little soppage. The little peppers, yeah, they ain't charred yet like I want them to. Probably gonna have to get these pork steaks out of the way. I don't think I put enough charcoal in here. To kick some butt. So this is taking a little bit. Anyway, be back in a little bit. I'll bring you back when it's all ready to take off. I'm not going to keep showing you me flipping and flipping and flipping and flipping. Be back when it's ready to eat. Alright, here we go. Onions got a little char on them. Peppers got a little char on them. Look at that. Ooh, that's really hot. That's hot. Oops. That's hot. Anyway, there's pork steaks. Today, tomorrow. I don't know, they look pretty good. Tomorrow might not make it. Anyway, let me give these a flip. Be right back. Alright, that's flipped over. Now usually I like to have a little char on my pork steaks, but I guarantee you these things are going to be fantastic. Why wouldn't they be fantastic? They got Rick's rub on them. Rick's barbecue and specialties on both of them babies. Look at them suckers. Look at that. You see all them seasonings and everything in there? This is really hot. It's like burning the shit out of my fingers. Anyway, peppers. That's hot. The good thing I'm a welder, because I got almost burn-proof fingers. Because this is burning the crap out of me right now. I just want to show you close up, baby. Alright. I'll see you back in the house. I think my phone's getting really hot. Hold on. I'll bring you back in the house. Alright, here we go. Alright, that's today's, that's tomorrow's. And then let's grab a piece of that. Let's grab a little piece of onion. What do you think? Look alright? We'll use that knife. It's, you know, it's been contaminated with red meat. But like I said before, I've already had COVID. I ain't scared of whatever that other stuff is. Botulism, trichinosis, and whatever the chicken thing is. I'm scared of none of that crap. Look at that. One's pretty yummy. Alright, so what I like to do is I like to cut the onion. Give a little cut here. A little piece of the pepper. Whew. Wow, that pepper's hot. That's like a hot. Yeah, let's put that on the little piece of pork. Yeah, I don't need it with the knife. So it all just fell apart. Holy crap. That is unreal. Wow, the Rick, fantastic. rubs. Unreal. Got the pork shoulders, or not the pork shoulders, pork sticks are done. And cut a little piece of this onion off. Oh, the peppers are hot. Right here, brother. Do the onion. The pork shoulder, the onion, and the pepper. Holy cow. That is fantastic. Let me grab this rub. There's the beef hog. That is the Texas Trinity. Holy smokes. This is so good. Anyway, oh, stay up there. Throwing another one of these peppers out there. A little bit of onion. Alright, y'all. Hope this is a good video for you. You know, subscribe to my channel, like and share it, and then also like, share, and subscribe to Rick Galindo, Texas Barbecue. You know, it's holy crap. That right there is some good stuff. Anyway, I will talk to you later. I'm gonna go eat this. Hope you all have a great night, and I will talk to you later. See you on the next video.